Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 Pro and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and tap on the sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to the ringtone section, and as you can see we can change the ringtone for calls or for notifications. So let me pick, for example, for calls. Let's click on allow, and as you can see here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can tap here, we can custom it, click on allow, and if you will have any compatible files downloaded or installed by yourself, just like here, you will be able to tap on them and choose them. But let me get back to the list, and now let me show you how to listen. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And if you are ready to choose something, for example this one, simply tap on it, mark it and get back. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, and from now on your device will use chosen ringtone. The same situation will be with notifications. Let's tap here, click on allow. You can custom it or you can choose it from the list. Simply tap. And if you are ready with your choice, let's get it back, and it is also applied. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your OPPO Reno4 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.